Turmeric has been widely known due to its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Curcumin, or the active ingredient that can be found in turmeric, is a potent antioxidant that can actually offer numerous healthy benefits. We highly advised you to try the turmeric water, which contains a lot of healing properties, mainly if you combine it with lemon juice. Warm turmeric water with lemon. Ingredients: -1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, -1/2 lemon, organic honey, warm water. Preparation: all you have to do is to squeeze the lemon into a glass and pour the warm water into it. Then, combine it along with the turmeric. Add the honey and you have to make sure to combine thoroughly. Enjoy your drink. One would wonder, what are the benefits of turmeric water? Well, it keeps diabetes in check. Turmeric can actually control the insulin resistance, and it can also prevent type 2 diabetes. However, it is extremely essential to consult your doctor before using it, because when it is mixed with various medications, it can lead to some side effects just like hypoglycemia. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidants properties. As we have mentioned earlier, curcumin contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can actually prevent chronic inflammation. Relieves arthritis. The antioxidant properties of the turmeric have the ability to remove free radical cells from the body. You can soothe joint inflammation and pain by consuming turmeric water regularly. Prevents heart disease. Numerous researchers have discovered that turmeric can actually prevent the accumulation of plaque in the arteries, thus decreasing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. At least 121 patients who needed coronary artery bypass were included in a study that has proved that they can lessen the risk of heart attack by at least 65% by just taking about 4 grams of turmeric on a daily basis. Prevents cancer. Turmeric has the ability to prevent the proliferation of tumor cells, and also the risk of developing cancer can be lessened by the help of consuming turmeric regularly.